Good morning, students. How are you? This is your science teacher, Teacher Afreen. Very good morning to all of you. Okay, children, let's start with the date. Today is Wednesday, 22nd April 2020. Open your learner's book, page number 38 and 39. The unit is 4.3 and our topic is sorting materials. The unit is 4.3, page number 38 and 39, and our topic is sorting materials. Today first I will revise the yesterday's work. Yesterday we studied some difficult words and we studied what are 3 R's. Again I am going to revise this what are 3 R's. So what are the 3 R's? 3 R's means reuse, reduce and recycle. R-E-U-S-E, reuse. R-E-D-U-C-E, reduce, and R-E-C-Y-C-L-E, recycle. On the right hand you can see there is a circle and green arrows showing that reuse, reduce and recycle. Now number 1 is reuse. R-E-U-S-E, reuse. Re means again, use means use. So if we are using something again, we will say this is reuse. Okay, from the old things we can make many new things, very useful things, very good things. So what we are doing, we are reusing the old things. So we will say this is reuse. You can see on your screen there is many decorative pieces are there, many useful things are there, and they are made from the old things. So we will say this is reuse. From the from the Pepsi bottles, they make the pencil holder and decorative piece, and we can also use as a pot. We can put plants. And on the right hand you can see in the box they are using the boxes as a color pencil holder. We can use it as a comb holder, and in the kitchen we can also use these all things. So what these things are, we are using them again. So this is reuse. Now number 2 is reduce. R-E-D-U-C-E, reduce. Reduce means less use. If we are using something less, that is called reduce. So there are many things in our home, in our surrounding, we should use less, so that we can keep our environment, we can keep our area, we can keep our country clean. Okay, so you can see on your screen there is a plastic water bottle, glass bottle, Pepsi cans, and papers are there. If we are using them less, so it can help in keeping our areas clean. Now number 3 is recycle. R-E-C-Y-C-L-E, recycle. Recycle means when we are using something and throwing in the dustbin. From the dustbin, the big truck is coming, collecting all the waste materials, and they are going to one place and they are separating these waste material, and something we cannot recycle, something we can recycle. So the useful things they are taking and giving in the factory, and in the factory the workers are there, they are making the useful things from the old things. So this is called recycle. On the screen you can see there is a roll of paper, and we are using this paper to make our books, notebooks, and when our books become old or tear, we are throwing this in the dustbin. Okay, so from the dustbin these papers, old papers, are going to the factory, and in the factory they are making the new papers from the old and waste papers. So this is what? This is recycle. Now our next question is, what do you mean by recycling? What do you mean by recycling? The answer is converting or changing. Changing the waste materials into new and useful materials, that is called recycling. What is recycling? Changing the waste materials into new and useful materials, that is called recycling. Now on your screen you can see there are some materials which we can recycle, and some materials which we cannot recycle. So on the left hand you can see the newspaper, the aluminum cans, the glass bottles, the plastic bottles, juice and milk cartons, they can be recycled. And on the left hand you can see there is a light bulb, batteries, green waste means vegetables and fruits waste, and plastic bags, household waste. These things cannot be recycled. Okay, all the things cannot be recycled. Something can recycle and something cannot recycle. You can see on your screen. Now today we study two questions. Number one, what are 3 R's, and number two, what is recycling? Okay, so your homework is write and learn all the work, and you can also make something from the old things, and you can send me the picture on WhatsApp. Means you have to do one activity, and that will be reuse. Okay, from any old things you can make any new things. So you can do. Thank you so much, students. Bye bye.